Ganda niya ngayon, di ba guys? In fairness sa kanya. Ganda. Cute. That's why whenever you guys see me and she says something and I laugh, the reason I laugh is because nakakute na ako sa kanya. Alam mo yun, nakakute lang ako sa kanya. That's why I laugh. Because I don't know what else to say. Like, especially when we were, having our was it the Joa challenge? But whenever she said Dada, she's like, Tata. For me, I just found it super cute. The way she says Dada. Mr. Cute talaga si Miss B dati pa. And I told you guys, ako, yung pinaka-weakness ko sa babae. Aray ko, ano ba yan? May pumasok. Yung pinaka-weakness ko sa babae is when they're cute. Like baby cute. I don't know why. To each his own. That's me. You know, other guys have their own thing. Girls have their own things. Yung mga turn on nila sa lalaki. Yung akin is pag nakikita ko yung cute side ng babae. Yun. Hello. So, yan guys. I'm at Sunny's house, but I'm packing for my flight at 7 a.m. Which means I have to go to the airport. I have to leave for the airport at 4 a.m. Meaning I have to wake up at 3 a.m. Hello everybody. Climb on in. How is everybody? It's me, Mr. B. Yan. So, samahan niyo lang ako. Nag-empake ako for the upcoming shows. Wait lang. Let me put you guys over here. Yan. Kanina nakapagpagupit ako. You know, for guys, actually, medyo nakakatakot pag bago yung barber. Pag bago yung barber, medyo, it's like, it's a risk. Kasi syempre, baka they might mess up your hair. So, good thing kanina, magaling yung barbero ko, bata eh. So, alam nila yung mga new styles. What's up, everybody? Kamusta kayong lahat dyan? I'm excited for the upcoming shows. I'm still jet lagged. Wait, ano yun? Kailangan ba? Hello, Billie Jean. Billie Jean is... Hope Ithamani, happy 3. Oh nga pala, guys. Thank you. 3.5 na ako. Road to 5M. Let's shoot higher, yeah? Si Chiki malapit na mag 7M. Let's go. Let's go, KKK. Miss B. Nasa taping siya ngayon. Yep, she's in taping. Yeah. Odette, where are you from in Canada? Which show are you going to? Are you going to Lloydminster or sabay sa Winnipeg? And I got the new KKK jerseys. These ones are a little different. Iba yung tela ng konti. How much yung jersey? So the jerseys are $60, 60 USD, okay? Not Canada. 60 USD, but if you get two, it's 2 for 100. So 50 a piece if you get two. Okay? So yun. These are the new KKK jerseys. Nag-iba ng konti yung tela. And there's a new detail that's here. We have our tags. And it says, I got you. Coco Productions in the house. What's up, Coco? What's up, Corey? Guys, for tickets, message yan si Coco Productions for tickets. That's right. Coco, do we still have tickets for Fresno? We still have tickets for Fresno and Sacramento. So, sa mga up north and mid-Cali, message nyo lang sila and I will be more than happy. Man, I'm so happy whenever there's a show. I'm happy to sing for you guys. I'm so happy to meet all of you guys. And I'm just happy to do what I love to do. Yeah. Kimberly. What's up, Kimberly? Shout out to KKK Fanatics, KKK International. Congrats plus the 3.5 followers. Wabu. And for the 100 stars. Thank you, Kimberly. Rubilin, shout out from Edmonton, Canada. Sa Edmonton ako pupunta bukas, pero we're gonna drive from Edmonton to Lloydminster, and I think that's a 3-hour drive, right? So I'm excited. I'm excited to be back in Canada. Hello from Chi-Town, USA. John. Uy, 50 stars. Thanks, Chona. Hello, everybody. So, ayun. And then, I think you guys saw yung vlog ni Chiki, and I was wearing the Team KL jersey, or I think, where did you guys see it? Sa vlog ni Kat or firing? I was firing. Ayan, so Maria Edanio Monteclaro is from Winnipeg. Sana magkita-kits po tayo sa Winnipeg show on the 25th. I'll be there on the 25th, guys, in Winnipeg, Canada. Where to buy shirts? Mitch, you could buy from me. You could buy from me mostly at the show. I am doing a 1-day run next week, and I'm shipping to places in the States. Visit Banff Kiss. You're gonna love it. Yeah, I know. I love Banff. I've been there twice, and it never gets old for me. Banff is super beautiful. Yeah, we love Banff. 3K tipo ata. And this is the Team KL jersey. Yeah. Black, red, and white. That's the color combo. Black, red, and white. You can never go wrong with black, red, and white, diba? That's right. Then we got people from Australia. What's 36? How much po, Mr. B? What's 3682? What's that, guys? 3682. Is that an access code? Did you just put your access code? Yes, guys, you could also message Coco Productions for the merch. Yes, yeah. Watching from Quezon City. Oh, you know what? I need to put this link here real quick. How do I do that? How do I do my link, guys? How to order on t-shirts. So hold on. Okay, hold on. Let me get all of this straight. Don't go anywhere. I'm just going to copy and paste something, okay? 1 second. Don't go away. Okay, I'm back. Oh, man. I lost 1,000 people. Okay. I know usually when I come back, nawawala ng boses, right? Let me know press 9 if you guys can hear me. Pakipin the number 9 if you can hear me. Yeah? How do I comment? Yun. Bam. Pin. Alright. And guys, nakapin yung isang comment dyan. And that is my link to Desk Lucky. Desk Lucky is an online It's an online casino. And sometimes I like to do it. My dad loves to do it. So, kung feeling lucky kayo, if you guys are bored at kung may extra lang kayo dyan, I would play the link because nakakapaldo din naman kami ng konti. Alright, so this is what I'm selling, guys, okay? So, ito nilagay na sa akin ni Kat ng, syempre, yung hickory niya. And I will have all the prices at the shows. I'm only selling this at the shows, guys, okay? So, sana magkita-kits po tayo. Kasi kailangan maging tindero. Hindi lang concert artist, kailangan tindero din para sa mga I got you. Ang dami kong in-I got you sa kanya eh. Sobrang daming I got you. So, kailangan ako magbenta. I need to hustle. And this is her other product. Hickory. So, we have her hickory here. And this is her sunblock, yung in-endorse niya. Napakaganda. And let's see what else. Of course, our Katie's Bomb. Where's all the Katie Bombs? Hold on. Come with me. Come with me, guys. Let's go upstairs. Gamit ko yung maganda yan, di ba? Maganda nga. Silent supporter from Manawag. Thank you, guys. So here in the other room is all the other stuff. So here's all the Katie Bomb that I'm going to be bringing, guys, okay? Katie Bomb. The brief. I have my brief. And what else? And Katie Colognes. I got Katie Colognes that I'm bringing too, okay? So let's go. Ito ay ang iyong pambansang manliligaw. I know there's a better way to do this. Look at this. I'm bringing 8. I'm going upstairs. I'm bringing 8 down. Then I have to go upstairs and bring 8 down again. Parang mali yung ginagawa ko. Parang may mas magandang sistema. Okay. So there's that. Gotta pack all that stuff. I gotta get my airport outfit for tomorrow. Hello everybody, kamusta kayong lahat? Yes, Virgos are the best. Pambansang tindero. That's right. Well, you know what? Before I came a singer, tindero talaga ako eh. I was a salesman. And I think that's why gusto ni Chiki mag-partner sa akin kasi alam niya I'm a good salesman, bro. Yeah. For those of you that don't know, I used to work at the Gap. Alam niyo you guys know what the Gap is? It's a clothing store. The Gap. I used to work at the Gap. I used to work at Foot Locker. Kaya ang hilig-hilig ko sa sapatos. Foot Locker. I used to work at Radio Shack. Yan. Patawarin mo ako. Yep. Thank you. Patawarin mo ako. Yep. That's one of my old songs that was written by Kuya Ferdy. Ano, have you guys all listened to Unlove You? Nagustuhan niyo ba yung Unlove You? Uy, 3,560 stars. Thank you guys so much. Army, maraming salamat. Yeah. Have you guys heard Unlove You? Nagustuhan niyo pa ba? And if you haven't watched yung MTV, it's up. The official music video is up on YouTube. And we shot that last year. So, wag na kayo dyan dun sa babae na yun. Kasi nga, I just hired her just for that video. Okay. Good vibes lang tayo dito. Queen G, I see you. What's up, Queen G? From Arizona. Yung Dollar Tree po, na-try mo mag-shop dun. I've seen a couple and I did go in it. It's kind of like the 99-cent store, diba? Watching from Dallas. Bait mo naman, Chris. Thank you naman. I try. I think that's the only way to live life, man. Just be nice. There's nothing wrong with being nice, bro. Sometimes people take your niceness as weakness. Bahala sila. Basta mabait ka, babalik din sa'yo yan. Okay? But then again, you have to also have your discernment. You have to know when people are taking advantage of you. Kasi you don't want to keep doing things knowing people are taking advantage of you, diba? Katangahan na yun. And you have to know. Yeah. It's easier when you could base off of energy, when you could read people's energy, because energy doesn't lie. Just be nice. Being kind it's free. It's free to be kind. Ooh, 500 stars by Joe Parr. Thank you so much. Di ka tumatanda, Chris. Thank you so much. Siguro kasi masaya ako ngayon. Pag masaya kayo, masaya ang aura mo. Tama? Tama. Dalhin mo na sunod si Miss B at Katie po. That is the plan. Geraldine Puyod, hello. Kimberly again, ikaw naman yan. Grabe naman yan, nag-explain ang aming pambansang manliligaw. Yes, of course. Coco, we cannot be too nice naman. You're right. But it's better for your default to be nice. You have to know when people are taking advantage of you. And when you know that, then diba? Then you don't be nice. Don't be that nice anymore. Ayan. Okay, so hindi na ako naka-impake. Super bait ka kaya, proven yan. That's why you're blessed. Oh, thanks, Queen G. Totoong tao ka po talaga, Mr. B. I try to be. Always naman. But we all make mistakes, especially when we're growing up, right? Because when you're growing up, when you're a teenager, you always feel like you have to prove something. You always feel like you have to be validated. So you try to do things to impress people. And sometimes those things that you do to try to impress people, it doesn't really register as the right thing to do. But it's okay, because that's how you learn. Uy, dami kong arrow sa face, ha? That's how you learn, right? You learn by making mistakes. Happy always, yep. Lately, I have always been happy. So, yeah, long time kailan ka balik ng Japan. Hello, Mom. That's Mommy Boo Bear. Hello, Mommy Boo Bear. Oo nga eh. Gustong-gusto ko bumalik dyan sa Japan. Miss na miss ko yung mga racket dyan sa Japan. Last year nakabalik ba ako? Parang hindi ako nakapunta ng Japan last year. Or did I? Wait, did I? Did I go to Japan last year? Parang. Good luck to your shows, Chris. Love you both, Kat and Katie. Thank you so much. I'm done listening to Unlove You. Thank you. Yeah, I really released a new song. I personally love it very, very much. It's called Unlove You. It's very R&B, which is my favorite genre of music, obviously. And it's one of those songs where, like, I'm really proud of it, and it's rewarding just hearing the feedback. Yeah, and it's about real life. The song I Love You is about real life. And studying Justin Bieber, studying Michael Jackson, studying Usher, all these people when they were in their prime, if you think about it, when they were doing very, very well in their career, it was nung sinusulat nila yung nangyayari sa buhay nila. Kasi yung energy nila, kung sino man sila, nagtatranslate yun sa kanta, and through music, it gets to the world. And when that energy hits the world, because it's coming from your heart, it's your energy, that's what touches the world. And when the world can feel you, that's when you're able to inspire so many people. My conclusion is, whatever is happening in your life, yun dapat ang isulat mo. Yun dapat ang isulat mo. That way you can connect, because that's a piece of you, diba? It's a piece of you. It's your life, it's your experience. And when you let that out into the world, and ang daming makaka-relate dun sa story mo, that means you just touched that many people. And I believe the master of that recently is Justin Bieber. That's why, honestly, I became such a Bieber fan. After the Purpose album, sobrang ganda ng mga music niya. And from that little boy, singing, baby, 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 oh. To, Sorry, and now Daisies and all his other good music, he's evolved. And I've realized that he's been writing a lot about what he's going through. And we feel him, diba? We all feel him through his music. So I kind of took a page out of their book, and now I've been writing and producing, getting writers to write my story, all of that, but it's still my story. So I'm happy that you guys like Unlove You, and yes, you guys know who that song was for. That was produced last year pa, okay? Last year pa yun. So I'm excited to see where this song goes. Abangan nyo sa August, uuwi din si Little Eddie, and we're gonna do our rounds in the Philippines. We're gonna promote Unlove You, so sana ma-meet nyo din siya. Napakabait na tao din si Little Eddie. And it's honestly, it's an honor working with him, because he's a 16-time Grammy Award winner. That's crazy. Like, we only watch the Grammys and the Oscars and the Emmys on TV, and this man, si Lil Eddie, nanalo siya ng 16 Grammy Awards. That's crazy. It's such an honor working with him. And yun, so uuwi siya to thank the Filipino people for all. Hey, thank you for all your support for Statue. Kasi we all know Statue was such a big hit in the Philippines. So abangan niyo siya. Uuwi siya ng August. Shoutout naman, idols. Imus City Cavite, good PM. Ang pogi mo. Thanks, Joy. Unlove You is really good. Thanks, Shira. Sama ko sa Pinas. Let's go, Coco. Let's G. Sama ka, tapos ikaw na mag-produce ng KKK concert. Oh, di ba? Let's do it. Nicole Tabar. Good luck, Mr. B. Shoutout sa'yo, Nicole. Oh, hey, thanks for the star sunglasses. That's right. What else? So guys, pray for me. Pray for my health, because simula paggising ko mamaya ng 3 a.m., dire-diretso na yun hanggang 11. It's gonna be a crazy, crazy week for me. So pray for my voice. Sana sa Sacramento may boses pa ako. So get this, guys. Okay, this is my schedule. July 9 is the Canada show. Okay, so that's gonna start like 7-ish, 7 or 8. So that's gonna go to like 9:30 or 10, whatever it is. Then pictures till like 11. Pictures, autograph signing till 11. Then I have to go back to the hotel, sleep, right? Catch a 6 a.m. flight. So I'm only gonna sleep for like an hour or 2 hours after the Lloydminster show. Kasi Lloydminster is 3 hours away from Edmonton. So biro mo yan, after the show, tutulog ng 2 oras, magdadrive ng 3 oras papuntang Edmonton. From Edmonton, flying to Denver, stop over, I think, 2 to 3 hours. Denver to Fresno, just in time for sound check, tapos diretso na concert. Okay, so that's the next day on the 10th. So Canada is 9 on the show's on the 9th. Fresno's on the 10th. And then after the Fresno show, We're gonna rest for a little bit, then drive 4 hours to Sacramento for the Sacramento show. So pray for me, guys. Pray for my health and pray for a good show. You know, we always love to give good shows, and yun yung pinaka-reward namin is pag narinig namin yung mga palakpak nyo, yung mga sigaw nyo, and syempre, nakikita namin yung mga ngiti nyo during and after the show. K-Trend Cebu! Oh my gosh, grabe. You guys are everywhere. You know, we're planning a Cebu trip when I get back in August. So, Cebu chapter, get ready kasi pupunta kami ni Chiki and Katie. KKK will be coming to Cebu in August. Pinaplano lang namin yung schedule kasi medyo hectic yung schedule. Lalo na si Chiki pagdating ko. And we're gonna be going to Cebu. Okay? So Cebu chapter, get ready. We're excited to meet you guys. Mag-show po kayo sa Montreal, Canada. Actually, lahat ng lugar gusto ko mag-show. Lahat ng lugar gustong ko puntahan at kumanta sa lahat ng places. But we're just waiting for the right time because timing is everything, right? And who knows, maybe God didn't give it to me this time as a solo kasi nga sinisave niya for KKK. Diba guys, mas gusto niyo makita ang KKK together. So pray for that as well. One place I haven't gone to is Europe. I have never been to Europe. So sana may mag-produce dyan sa Europe ng KKK or kahit sa akin lang muna para ma-check ko yung lugar. So konyo, bro. Para ma-check ko yung lugar. And then after, yun, pwede na kami mag-concert dyan. Right? K-Trend Cebu, see you guys. We'll see you in Cebu, KKK Cebu chapter. Sinagot ka na ba ni Miss B? Guys, kung ano yung alam ko, alam nyo din. Diba? So, she just said yes to Manliligaw. And, yun. Uy, GMA Playlist is watching. Hello, GMA Playlist. Shout out sa inyo. No, hindi pa ako sinagot, guys. Yung sinagot niya was yung letter. So, ang sagot niya sa akin is pwede ako manligaw. So, I know you guys are wondering why she's calling me babe and some of these things. So si Cathy, yung Team KH na videographer, dalawa sila sa Team KH, si Kikay tsaka si Cathy. Si Cathy, bigla nagsabi ng challenge na, uy, mag-jowa challenge naman kayo. So, you know, we looked at each other and we said, okay, sige. So we did the jowa challenge and, syempre, si Kat, she got into character right away. So she started calling me babe. Ako naman medyo nahihiya na kinikilig ng konti lang. Okay? Okay huwag kayong diyan. Konti lang. Medyo nahihiya pa ako tawagin siya ng babe kasi I don't know, it feels funny. But it feels good, but it feels funny. Maybe it's the butterflies, I don't know. But you know, she got into character right away. Of course, she's an actress. And so, syempre, Jaw Challenge one day. How long is one day? 24 hours, right? It's 24 hours. So we started at 3 and then went to 3 p.m. the next day. So yung mga babe na narinig nyo, pasok yun sa Jaw Challenge. And I think nasanay lang siya the morning after. Tapos na yung Jaw Challenge by that time. But, you know, I think it just, tanggal angas, pre. Ano ba yan? Malet. Ano ba yan? Malet, ha? Ano sinasabi mo dyan? Tanggal angas kayo dyan. Baka angas mo yung natanggal. Sus. Konti lang. Grabe, kayo naman talaga. Tita Nina! Hi, Tita Nina! Yes, konting-konti lang. Alam nyo yan. Hindi kami kinikilig mang maangas. Nah, bro. Nope. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Hell nah, bro. Mr. B, shout out from Valenzuela. Hinojales Mary, di ba po? Hinojales Mary. Why does that sound familiar? Hinojales Mary. I'm looking forward to watching your Joa Challenge vlog. Yeah, that was fun. Tanggal angas, Mr. B. Hoy, Jayan. Shh. Shh. Pero kilig yan, Mr. B. Konti lang. Konti lang. Kayo talaga. Kinikilig ka naman. Puro kayo kilig. Queen G, isa ka pa. Ayan. Again, so kung wala kayong ginagawa at may extra kayo dyan, may link ako dyan sa Desk Lucky. Safe na safe yan, guys. That's a PAGCOR license. And minsan naglalaro din ako. Minsan talo, pero panalo, pare. But the secret is you have to know when to stop, okay? You have to know when to stop. Don't say, babawi lang ako. Once sinabi mo na babawiin ko lang yung nawala ko, yun na, talo ka na dyan. So, just put a certain amount, something really small that you know you could lose. Have some fun, bro. That's all it is. You're just having fun, right? But don't bet your whole life on it. Kaya na yan. And for those of you that don't want to play, then don't play. Ganun kasimple. Don't play. But if you just feel like having fun, you might feel lucky. My link's below. Kasi kilig din. Hello, Dada, Bebe. What is that? Hello, Tata. Tata. I think she looks so cute when she does that. Tata. Babe, a shout out Mr. B watching live from Zamboanga City. What time is it right now? What time is it here right now? It is 10:23 p.m. So, ayun. I was packing, but now that I'm talking to you guys, and I feel like talking to you guys. I'm just gonna pack later. Yes, play moderately. Thank you, Esperanza Baas. Thank you. Play moderately, guys. Okay, just play moderately. Don't think you're gonna like. Alam nyo na yan. Alam nyo na yan. Nakakatuwa lang kayong panoorin. Thank you. Well, nakakatuwa din siya kasama eh. Natutuwa ako pag kasama ko siya. And I'm happy because, you know, at this point, it's like what? She just decided to be okay with me in January, right? January 4. And we're in July now. So that's 7 months. And in these 7 months, like, I could say that we're like pretty comfortable again with each other. And honestly, that's like, naglaro po ako, libangan, nanalo ko 10K. Diba? Oh, boom! Congrats, Lisa. Actually, one of my players nag-message sa akin, nagpapasalamat, sobrang thank you kasi nanalo siya ng 2.2 million. Grabe. Kasi dati nagbibigay ako ng I gave like, when it was new, I was giving away 1,500, 2,000 to like each person, but only 2 people. So, one of those persons took the 1,500 I gave them and they played the 1,500 and then they won freaking 2.2 million from that 1,500 that I gave them. Damn, sana all. And then there was another one that messaged me that they won 1.3. Then another one that was 546,000, another 823,000. There was a dami nanalo. Pero I'm sure marami din natalo. So that's gambling, guys. That's gambling. It's luck. Sometimes you're lucky, sometimes you're not. Right? Know when to quit. That's all it is. Ang kilig namin abot Jupiter na. Tita Nina. Hi, Tita Nina. I'll see you in Fresno. Tama? Fresno ba or Sacramento? Or both? Bahay po ninyo yan, Mr. B. No, this is my best friend Sunny's house. Pero dito ako lagi. Pag nasa States ako, he lets me stay here all the time because we've been best friends since I was 8 years old. And bihira yun, diba? Bihira yun na best friends pa rin kayo even though you live in other countries. Uy, naging rabbit ako pero iba yung mata ko, pare. Bakit ganun? Yun talaga yung tanggal angas. Bakit ko ginawa yun? Ano ba yan? Both in love kayo ni Miss Oh my gosh. Basta, masaya kami. Okay, ako. Oy, I see my pinsan, Ariana Kino. Thank you for watching, pinsan. Huwag niyo How to download that game. Which game? The link? Just click the link below. Or you can copy the pinned comment right there. And then go to your browser, paste it. And for you guys to check out, you have to set up your KYC. And don't worry, it's safe. Kahit ako may KYC. Alright. Miss D will definitely say yes. You think so? You think so, Densky? If I am. Just let it unfold, diba nga? Some of the best things, hindi minamadali. You just let it fold, you just let it fold naturally. And look what's happening, right? It's just unfolding naturally. That's why we're able to act naturally. Diba? O, diba? Dati ko pa sinasabi sa inyo, not everything needs a label, right? Nung ako nagsabi dati, sobrang binash nyo ako. Diba? I said that I think in Feb or March. I forgot when I said it. Yeah, I said it somewhere early. Because honestly, when I said that, I was just happy with what was going on. And totoo nga yun. Wala kaming label. We didn't have a label because yun nga, she's still getting to know me. I'm still getting to know her. So talagang wala kaming label. So I said, not everything needs a label. I'm just enjoying the smiles that co-parenting brings. Something like that. And then you guys bash the shit out of me, bro. What the hell? Pero, ngayon, nakikita ko yung mga ibang KKK fans nagpo-post. Kayo na mismo nagsasabi, no, not everything needs a label. Oh. Diba? Ahead lang ako. Advance lang talaga ako mag-isip. I think you guys owe me an apology for that because you guys bashed me for like 2 weeks. You guys bashed me for 2 weeks. You did. And honestly, I told you one step at a time. Just go slow, slowly but surely, diba? Hello, Padada. Aloha from Hawaii. Oh man, I miss Hawaii. Yep, everything will unfold during God's perfect time. And you know what? When the time is right, meron akong story. I have a story that I really want to tell you guys. Ooh, thank you for the hearts. There's a story that I really want to tell you guys, but I'm going to wait for the right time. Because this story has stuck in my head for like 13 years now. And it's happening. Like, it's crazy. Sobra ang kilig every time makita ko yung, oh shoot, I missed it. Sino yung Sir Chris? Ano yung Sir Chris, Miss Bagan? And guys, perfect. Hindi ako nag-bash. Nag-unfollow lang. Hehe. Oh. Pero nandito ka na ulit, Olivia. Oh. Siguro isa ka doon, Tina. Sus, ang dami nyo nag-bash sa akin. Napakadami nyo. Pero ang ending, tama ba ako? Tama, di ba? That's one thing you guys have to know about me. I'm very misunderstood a lot. Siguro kasi amboy ako, and there's this thing about me where if I say it, you guys might take it the wrong way. Kasi nga, one, English. Two, masyadong straightforward. But I guarantee you, pakinggan nyo lang yung context ng sinasabi ko. Usually, I'm like 85 to 90% right most of the time because I'm a Virgo. Very, very calculated ang mga words ko. Very calculated ang mga decisions ko. That's why you see me a lot of the times I'm quiet because my mind is always analyzing. I'm analyzing and I'm always trying to. There's no such thing as perfect. You will never find a perfect person. We all make crazy, crazy mistakes, but Virgos, bro, those are some calculated people. Bush, but happy ending. But you know what? I guess that's part of the story, right? It's like there's ups, there's downs, there's ups, there's downs. You know, there's wrongs, there's rights. It's okay. I think it made the story more colorful. And iba kasi ang amboy, alam ko din ugali nila. Yeah. Yes, nadjudge ka po most of the time. Yes, I know. I know, Celeste, I know. Trust me. It's a frustration of mine. That's why a lot of times I just stay quiet. Because I don't have to explain myself to anybody. I know that most of my decisions are made in good faith, in good heart, in service to a lot of people, but I get misunderstood a lot for some weird reason. I don't know what it is. You're like my late husband. He's a Virgo. Oh, see? What? Tell me about your late husband. I saw another one here. 100 correct. My hubby is a Virgo. Oh, diba? He's right a lot of the times, right? Because we're analyzers. We calculate. We analyze. We know how to go into a room and then we read the room. We read because energy does not lie, pare. Mommy Deeds. Sel, he's very calculated in all his decisions. Yes, that's how we are, mga Virgos. May mga Virgos ba ako dito? Team Virgo, raise your hand. Team Virgo, type 9. Parang si Katie, straightforward magsalita. Exactly. And Katie's a Virgo too. Huwag mong pansinin yung mga nang babash sa'yo. Sweet mo nga, kilig na kilig ako sa inyo. Well, you know, I know I always have good intentions. That's why when you guys bash, it's parang, ano bang ginagawa ko? Bakit kayo nang babash sa akin? So, whatever. Again, nobody's perfect. Hypothetically, if given a chance na maging kayo ulit ni Miss B, gusto niyo ba magka-baby ulit? Oh my gosh! I don't know, bro. I don't know. Hey, if it happens, it happens, right? If it happens, it happens. Everything happens when it's supposed to happen. Just remember that. Everything happens when it's supposed to happen. Virgo, Sophia, all right. Salvaloza, Team Virgo. And guys, get ready. Virgo season is coming. And I don't know if Kat told you guys about Venus, right? So I know a lot of you guys, may mga students ba ni Kat dito? May mga students ba siya dito? Kung may mga students si Kat dito, yung mga estudyante niya, press 6. Zara Galang is a 9. J-Ann is a Virgo. All right. So right now, she probably informed you guys that we are in a Mercury retrograde. And yeah, we are in a very crazy retrograde. Triple Page is a Virgo. All right. Triple page. And has a star. So that means you're probably a subscriber. All right. Super humble ka person, and lalo nung na-meet kita na starstruck ako kasi super approachable ka. Ah, thank you, Celeste. Yeah, so Mercury is in retrograde right now. Not the best time to sign contracts, not the best time to negotiate deals, not the best time to purchase electronics. Ayan, mga estudyante ni Chiki, naglalabasa na. So we're in Mercury retrograde. Did she tell you guys about Venus? Did she tell you guys what Venus is? So you guys could check this, okay? I know a lot of us use AI now. I know a lot of us use ChatGPT. Let ChatGPT know who you are, your name, your birthday, birthplace, birth date. So that, because ChatGPT, kinakabisado ka niya. Like all your data, they store it, right? They store it. So every time you log in, kilala ka na niya. Okay. Now, when they know who you are, what your sign is, then ask Chat, when is Venus gonna be in my sign next? So when Venus is in your first house, like for Virgos, wait, can someone can someone go to ChatGPT and put, when will Venus transit into Virgo? Tita Nina, when will Venus transit into Virgo? I think it's going into Leo real soon. So the reason I ask is because when Venus is in your sign, okay? When Venus transits into your first house, let's say you're Virgo and Venus is in your first house. Do you guys ever remember a couple times a year, maybe it happens 3 or 4 times a year, where you wake up, you look in the mirror, kahit bagong gising, alam mo sa sarili mo, parang fresh ako ngayon. Parang pogi ako ngayon. Parang maganda ako ngayon. And of course, you know that, right? Because you know yourself. We know ourselves the best, right? You have to know. You have to know yourself the best. So when Venus is in your sign, that's when your luck is at its highest. That's when your charm is at its highest. That's when you look the best. Okay, so your appearance will physically be its best. So go to ChatGPT, ask Chat when Venus will be in your sign, in your first house, and you can use that to plan your biggest meetings, get ready to go on dates if you're single. For me, ang napansin ko, when Venus is in my first house, ang dami kong TV guestings. For some weird reason, that's the time that all the networks reach out to me, and I'm like, is Venus in my sign? And then I look at the chart, and Venus is in my sign. Never fails. Yes, Lizelle. Kasi here is what ChatGPT said. Clisdell. Sige nga. What did ChatGPT say? Venus will remain in Virgo daw po until August 6. So is Venus in Virgo now? July 9. Ooh. Okay, so this is a test, okay? All the Virgos, well, hi, I'm a Virgo. So lahat ng ilalabas kong content, check nyo kung fresh ako or kung glowing ako or mukha akong inspired from July 9 to August 6. Oh, wala ako sa Pinas noon. Hindi ko kasama si Chiki. That's okay. She gets to see the Venus in me on 5 and 6. 2 days lang. Ang cute magsalita ni Mr. Bean ng Tagalog. Am I bulol? Huh? Is that why you're saying that? Because I'm bulol, bro? Talk na kayo ni Miss B. Yes. Nag-update ako sa kanya kasi kanina nagpagupit ako. So July 9. Oh, sakto. To all the people in Lloydminster, I will have my Venus in me. So sana pogi ako from July 9 to August 6. Yeah. Thank you, Mary Fernandez. Mr. B, bumili ako ng Trace Mineral Drops. Paano siya gamitin? Sell. Okay, so you get a glass of water, right? Yung tamang glass na, siguro mga 6 to 8 ounces. You take the dropper, you do 2 full drops to start off with. And then you drink. May konting lasa, parang it tastes like a little bit salt in the water. May pagkaganon. May konting lasa, but it's not bad. But it's only a small amount of water. It's very, very drinkable. You will not, hindi ka naman magaganon like, hindi ka naman gaganon. You'll just be like, oh, this water may konting lasa. But of course, it's because you put dahil naglagay ka ng trace minerals. But, pansinin mo yung energy mo after 10 to 15 minutes. Okay? All of us, Team KKK, one time, I think we all just came from a shoot. We went to Kat's house, and everybody was tired. Like, we were all tired. I think Kathy was sick. Lara was getting sipon. Yeah, there was a time where, kasi dire-diretso kami nun eh. Tapos, naglagay ako ng, I got a glass for everybody, and me and Kat put trace minerals in everybody's glass. After 15 minutes, lahat, parang natanggal yung antok ko. Parang everyone's mood went up, everybody's energy went up. It's not one of those things where your energy is gonna go fucking through the roof, right? Like, it's not like that. Gagaan ka. Gagaan yung pakiramdam mo, gagaan yung energy mo. And for me, that's what's important. Pag magaan yung isipan mo, pag magaan yung pag kumilos ka, magaan. That's the sweet spot. Batutay-tutay, when are you coming home? Secret. Ano ba? Dati hindi ko naman kayo pinapansin, and then for some reason, Katrina Halilipi appeared on my feed, and then one thing led to another, tapos andito na ako ngayon. Congrats, Andy F. Congrats. Inspired ka, Miss Crest, fresh na fresh. Nahawa nga sa'yo si teacher. I think nahawa ko sa kanya kasi siya, ang ganda-ganda niya ngayon, di ba guys? In fairness sa kanya. Ganda. Cute. That's why whenever you guys see me and she says something and I laugh, the reason I laugh is because nakakute ako sa kanya. Alam mo yun, nakakute lang ako sa kanya. That's why I laugh. Because I don't know what else to say. Like, especially when we were, having our was it the Joa challenge? But whenever she said Dada, she's like, Tata. For me, I just found it super cute. The way she says Dada. Mr. B, na-curious ako sa meaning ng necklace pendant mo. Which one? Triple page, which one? Which one, triple page, Virgo? Ayan na. Inaantok na ako, pare. Sa mga naglaro dyan, may balita na ba kayo? Did anybody win? Did anybody win some money? Kinilig ka na naman, Mr. B. Saan ba ako kinilig? Ha? Tanggal na naman angas niya. Baka ikaw. Di na kami masyado nag-uusap ng friend ko nang dahil sa kakapanood ko sa inyo. Wala na, ubos. Tita Nina naman. Meron pa naman. Sige. Kung tanggal angas, ano na yung tawag? Pag natanggal yung angas, ano yung tawag doon? Huh? Watching from Cebu, PH. Mr. B, pag-greet daw po. Happy birthday si Ate Yumi. Happy birthday sa'yo. Yeah, so kilig ka. Super kalog kasi sikat. Yeah, she's super kalog. And lalo na ngayon, honestly, kanina I was watching her, I was watching the fart prank, the fart spray prank. And napapansin ko sa kanya, nailalabas na niya talaga yung totoong siya. Which is dati hindi niya nailalabas yan. Kasi mahiyain talaga siya. Pero I'm happy na nakikita nyo kung gaano siya ka-cute. Diba? Sobrang cute niya. Ang cute niya, pare. Pare, diba? Ang cute niya. So, okay na yun. Okay? The pendant KL triangle. So when I came up with that logo, I was a hardcore Christian at that time. So the meaning of it was the triangle, right? The three persons, the Father, Son, Holy Spirit, triangle, the three persons in one God. And then KL. So it's kind of like God lives in me, or I live in God, vice versa. That's the meaning of that symbol. Hopi, walang ganon. Hello, KL. Sana pagbalik mo, plano na kayo ni Miss B sa future nyo. Natatawa ako sa inyo. Sobrang saya nyong magkakasama sana forever. I have fun with her. I'm not gonna lie. I have fun. Nawawala po ang angas mo. Po, pagkasama mo si Miss B, bahala ka sa buhay mo, Glenda. You better go to sleep, Mr. B, para fresh ka sa concert mo bukas. Close up ka ulit ng Coco Prod for sure at makikita ni teacher para mas lalo ma-in love sa'yo. 3 persons in one God. Yeah, the Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Tanggal angas. Power of love na yan. Courage is working. Meaning of it, yes. Sweet po. Blah, 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 blah. Marami pong may in love kay Miss B. I'm sure. Dapat lang. She's a very lovable person. Mr. B, baka naman may paayuda ka sa level 2 members sa Red app. You know, I was supposed to do that or itong live na to. But since wala masyado kong posts and updates, I chose to go live. Pero, kasi yung pa mag-live sa Red app. Natotorpe ka ba kay Miss B? Yeah. Natotorpe ako sa kanya. Nung una. Because of course, in the beginning, you're watching your moves, right? You don't want to make a mistake. Virgo. It's that Virgo shit, bro. You're just analyzing, you're reading the room, you watch. Of course, I'm reading her movements, and I have to move according to the way she moves, right? You can't always move the way you want to move, guys, because it's not, you don't always own everything, and you have to know that there's other people in the picture, and not everybody will adjust to you. I don't think that's how it's supposed to work. I think it works better when you all work collectively together. So I would say the best thing to do is when you get into a room, analyze, right? Then ikaw nakakakilala sa sarili mo. You know yourself, so you have to automatically think, what's my role? Ano magiging role ko dito sa room na to? Ano yung mga strengths ko? What is my role? What value can I add here? Right? And then kumilos ka. Kumilos ka kung saan mo bulol ko, no? Sobrang bulol ko. Ikilos mo, just do what you can for the group. In English na lang. Kumilos ka kung saan ka makakatulong dun sa group. Kung ano yung role mo dun. That's the best way you can add value to wherever you are. And when you add value, that's when people start to respect you. That's when people start to know your worth. That's when people start to see you, right? When you can actually add value to the room. Yan. Paano ba magalit ang isang Mr. B? Jessica Bongalas. Paano ba magalit ang isang Mr. B? Nakita mo ba yung last post ko? Na may hawak akong ganon? Ganon ako magalit, pare. May bago nga ako. I got the new Chris Vector, baby. It's my new baby. Chris Vector. Game choice, Mr. B, Jojo 1, o totropahin si Miss B? Ano ba yan? Alam niyo naman yung sagot dyan. Next question, please. Added value. Yep. You don't just go to a room and just hang out and then you just linger, okay? Hindi ganun. Kasi when you get into a room or when you get into a group or you become part of a team, kailangan mo buhatin mo sarili mo. Huwag kang maging dead weight. Huwag kang pabigat sa grupo. You either pull your own weight or you help push. Push into the direction that everybody is going, which is up. Okay? You push everybody up with whatever you're good at. Kung ano yung skills mo, yun yung i-contribute mo sa grupo. Huwag kang pabigat, pare. Don't be a leech. Don't try to freeload, because honestly, the people that you're freeloading off of, nababasa nila yan. Pare, nababasa nila yan. And they'll let you mooch for a little bit, but after that, if you don't add value to the group, bye-bye. And then, hindi ka na makakapasok sa grupo. Okay? Cute nun pa si Miss B, Starbucks pa lang. Cute pa, alam mo, cute talaga si Miss B dati pa. And I told you guys, ako, yung pinaka-weakness ko sa babae. Aray ko, ano ba yan? May pumasok. Yung pinaka-weakness ko sa babae is when they're cute. Like baby cute. I don't know why. To each his own. That's me. You know, other guys have their own thing. Girls have their own things. Yung mga turn on nila sa lalaki. Yung akin is pag nakikita ko yung cute side ng babae. Yun. Triple Page, Virgo is very galante. Yes, Virgo is very galante. That's what I like about your free wisdom for everyone. Oh, thanks, Sel. Galing ng mindset mo, Mr. B, kaya sobrang blessed ka kasi you have a good heart. Thank you, Maricel. Huwag maging pabigat at abusado. Mismo. That's right, Avelina. Huwag pabigat. Nobody wants someone in the group na pabigat. Nobody wants that. Tagahangan niyo ako ngayon, kilig much. Aw, thank you, Mel. Saan po ba pwede mag-mine ng isang ang tulad ni Mr. Oh, thank you. Ikaw teacher namin yun, Mr. B. Absent. Oh, sige. Ako muna yung substitute teacher. Ako po si substitute. I can't even pronounce that shit. Ako po ang substitute teacher nyo, si Mr. B. When are you gonna propose to Miss Kid? What the fuck, bro? what kind of question is that? What kind of question is that, Sir John, bro? Yes, super galante, di ba? Dumating na po parcel ko. Ah, Sheila, did you get the cologne? Mabango ba? Kinilig na naman ako. Gising ko lang. Ano na term apart from wisdom? Vocabulary na, at idiomatic. Free schooling. Vocab. Namanhid yung puwet ko. Yung right butt cheek ko. Butt cheeks. Inom muna tayo ng tubig, guys. Wait lang. Alright. Sarap po marinig yung sinabi nyo sa vlog na you're working for the family. Thanks, Carmen. I actually just realized that. Kasi syempre, you know, bago ulit kami ni Miss B magsama, you know, as friends and you know, co-parenting with Katie. Diba? Kailan ba yan? January. So, of course, I know she's watching my moves, right? I know I'm pinapakilala ko yung bagong version of me, right? And yeah, of course, I wanted to show her that I'm not the same guy. I wanted to show her that I'm not the same guy as before. I wanted to show her that kasi sometimes some people, and I don't want you to take this the wrong way, okay? Because honestly, I take pride in it sometimes, where sometimes you level up so hard that people have to get you to know you all over again, because the version of you that they knew is the old version. And you know, experience is the best teacher. And I have been through so much since we broke up. I've been through so much, man. How many failed businesses, right? I've been through so many rejections when it comes to work. I've been through so many wrong decisions. So, of course, ang dami kong natutunan kasi ang dami kong mali. Ang dami kong mali. So, because dahil sa mga mali na yun, natuto ako. One thing that one thing I learned is I need to get a charger because I'm at 2%. I'm at 2%, guys. Let's go get a charger. So I was having a conversation with Uncle Joe. Where's my charger? Where is my charger, pare? Okay. Charge muna tayo, guys. Habang nakahiga. And then, balik sa impake. Oh my God, it's 11 o'clock. Guys, it's 11 o'clock. Kailangan ko mag-impake. Grabe ka, CIA. Ano ba yan? Did I miss a comment? Only God is perfect. Exactly. Only God is perfect, bro. So, what was I saying? I was having a conversation with Uncle Joe, and me and Uncle Joe have gotten to a point in our lives where siguro kasi selfish. I used to be pretty selfish. I used to always think of how I can get what I wanted to get, right? When we're young, we're always trying to get what we can get, tama? When we're young, because we always want, yeah, you're trying to validate yourself, you're trying to prove yourself all the time, so you're always in a state of, I don't know if state of lack is the right term, but You're always trying to get what you can get. And honestly, that's a very beginner mindset. And I know we have all been through that. Some of us are still going through that. But when you can actually shift and instead of get what you can get, switch that to give what you can give, that's when the real blessings will pour into you. Because when you give, the more it's so true. The more you give, the more you get. The more you give with pure intention and pure heart, honestly, the more you get. We call it palms out. Kasi dati ganito. Dati ganito kami. Right? Gimme, 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 gimme. What can I get? What can I get? I'll do it. What I'll get. But when you get to a certain point and you have enough to live and you're like comfortable, this turns into this, right? Now you give. Now ang tawag namin dyan is open palms. We call it open palms. And I can't do my other hand right now, but when you have your palms out like this, both hands, what is that? It's your hands to the heavens, it's your hands to the universe, and it's the sign of surrender, diba? Right? It's the sign of surrender. So open palms, you give. Honestly, because there's so much abundance around us, guys. There's so much that you don't need to be selfish. I promise you. There is so much in this world. We are so abundant in everything that the more you give love, give service, if you have extra, you help people. I promise you, God is going to bless you. You will be blessed. Stop counting like everything and stop counting the things that you do for people, because why do you have to count, diba? Just be a good person, give what you can, and I promise everything that you wish for, it will come. I promise you. Yeah, surrender. Complete surrender. Petition for podcast. That'd be dope, huh? If we had a podcast. Do you guys think me and Miss B can do a podcast? Abnormal ka ba? Minsan. Oy, sino ba yan? Bakit? Guy, dude, you guys are crazy. Stop it. Hala, may mga ano dito. May mga bad vibes dito. Only good vibes, please. Petition for pod. Level up rejections, conversations. Natuto ako sounds like titles of songs. Palms up, open palms. Title of the album. Yeah. It's true. I promise you guys. The more you give, the more God will bless you. The more you give, the more you get. But that get that will come to you is blessings from God, is blessings from the universe. Oo, may simang dito. Huwag niyo nang pansinin. I-kick yung simang. Kick. Miss Cat is so lucky to have you. Oh, and I'm so lucky to have them too. Honestly, I am so lucky to have them too. Virgo traits yan, sir. My happiness is to give rather than to receive. Yeah, there's a certain there's a certain pleasure in giving, diba? When you give something to someone and you see that they actually like it, parang mas gusto mo mag-give kesa sa mag-receive. Diba? Have you thought about courting her before she invited you on her birthday? No, I did not. Nope. We will tell you that story when the time is right. That's another good story. I've already said it on TV, and I've said it on the other pod on Hot Takes podcast. But dude, last year she put me through freaking hell. She put me through hell last year, and we were not okay. But you know, God works in mysterious ways, and here we are now. And that's what's important. Because yes, we were going through what we went through last year, and she was being, you know, super mean to me and putting me through hell. But here we are now. And guess what that means? That means that last year is part of the story, right? A lot of times we're so caught up in the moment of what's happening, which is not bad because you really have to be in the moment. That's the best place to be in. But sometimes when you zoom out, you have to look at the big picture. And sometimes those downs are part of the whole picture. It's part of it. It's not always going to be like this, right? It's like this. Boom, there's downs. And it goes super up, then goes down, then it goes up. That's life, bro. Ganun talaga yung life. Ang importante is you know how to react. And you will only learn that through experience. So if you can have a good mentor that teaches you how to make good decisions, because at the end of the day, life is gonna always deal you a certain amount of cards. Life will deal you the cards. You just have to play the best hand that you can, because you don't always get to pick the cards. Actually, you never get to pick the cards, right? You have to play the best hand. And the way to make the better decisions is, the way to get past that is to make good decisions. And you know what? Sometimes it's hard to make the right decision. It's easy to make the wrong decision. It really is. It's easy to make the wrong decisions. Like, for example, it's easy to steal, right? Because you want to get it for free. So you don't think about the consequence. It's harder to take the right route, but it will pay off, I promise you. Kaya ba nabuo yung I love you? Kasi na-hurt ka sa hindi... What did she say? Okay, let's go. Let's go and pack. Let's go and pack, guys. I have some battery now. Wait, where did the lights go? All right, back to packing, guys. Back to pack. All right. I have 2 luggages that I'm bringing, and I have to bring 3 different outfits for show clothes, 5 different clothes for pantulog, and 4 different outfits for the daytime. Dang, that's a lot of outfits, bro. That's 5, 8. Siguro pwede ko naman i-repeat yung pantulog, no? Kasi itutulog ko lang naman yun eh. So 2 pantulogs, 4 for the day, 5 for the day, 3 for the show. Total 10 outfits. Damn, 10 outfits, bro. Pwede ka po ba maging mentor? Oo naman. Of course. Yan. Okay. So guys, I just want, it's 11:11. I just wanted to say hi. I wanted to promote the shows that I'm having. So once again, dyan sa mga kababayan natin dyan sa Canada, kita-kits po tayo sa July 9 sa Lloydminster X Fair. Okay, I'll see you guys there. Sa July 10, kita-kits po tayo sa Fresno, California, mga kababayan natin. And on July 11, kita-kits po tayo sa Sacramento. For tickets, please call Coco Productions. And I am going to be so happy to see you guys, especially the KKK fam. I know we have some KKK Global coming, some KKK California Global, the California Global chapter coming. So I'm very, very excited to see you guys. And of course, don't forget to stream Unlove You out sa lahat ng platforms now. The music video just came out. For me, it's doing really, really well. And I have all of you guys to thank for it. Thank you so much. Pag bored kayo, just watch it, put it on loop, and then put the volume down. Just keep it running. Okay? I love it. Nagre-repost panahon pa kumang natin. Ha? Ano daw? Gemma name lagi nagre-repost panahon pa. Kumang picnic. Ano yan? Gemma. Si Gemma Belando. Guys, Gemma Belando was one of my assistants dati. She just moved back to Batangas. Kaya hindi na kami magkasama madalas. Kasi she moved back to Batangas. Pero mabait yan si Gemma, okay? So yun. Thank you guys for streaming my song. Sana we can get that video to 1 million views. To all the KKK fam that has been streaming Ikaw Pala, maraming salamat guys. Hindi na ako magdududa na hindi tayo mag-hit ng 50M. I know that we will hit it. At the rate you guys are going, I know we're gonna hit it. So sa lahat ng KKK chapters that are constantly viewing Ikaw Pala on Wish 107.5, maraming salamat. And I can't wait. I can't wait till the next Wish Awards because I know that we are gonna get the Gold Award. I'm pretty freaking confident that we're gonna get it for that song. And then after that song, ang next is Kung Malaya. Medyo malayo yung Kung Malaya, but I know we can do it. All right, guys. So I'll see you guys at the upcoming shows. Please stream Unlove You, share it, like it, share it, and follow me sa Red app. And kikita-kits po tayo soon. All right? Peace and love. This is your Pambansang Manliligaw, Mr. B. Good night, everybody.